Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cave Horror Project mod in Minecraft. First, you need to go to CarsForce official website, and from here you will find this button Get CarsForce app. Click on it, and now you need to download standalone version of CarsForce. You can see I have already installed in my PC. Here it is. Now you need to install Minecraft in CarsForce. Then click on it, and from here you can browse some mods, interesting mods and features, some additions, and also from this search icon you need to search for Cave Horror Project. Here it is, the first one. Here this is the real one with the most download, and this is Cave Horror Project chp1. You need to click on install. Now you can see it is installing. You can cancel it anytime. Now after completing the installation process to 100%, then you will find a button available here at the cancel site, that is play. You can then click on play to play the Cave Horror Project in Minecraft. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Till next time.